Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and in this video I want to talk about gold. Are we going to see the all-time high being achieved this week, next week, sometime soon? And what will happen if a new all-time high will be achieved? Let's take a look on the charts. But before that, big thanks and thumbs up to 8K Broker for supporting me, my community and this channel, and to enjoy the very special offers we have. Thanks to 8K Broker, please refer to the link below this video in the description. Now let's take a look on the gold from all the time frames. I will start with the monthly chart, not because I'm going to actually trade that, at least not yet, but I just want to present you what happens here. After a major run since way before the 2000s and the huge move down we experienced since 2010, after that another rally, and the second rally was slower and smaller than the one before. And take a look what happens now. Very possible final rally is forming itself. So to answer the question, will the gold make an all-time high? The answer for that, at least at the moment, it looks that it is basically inevitable. The gold seems unstoppable, and at the moment gives, well, sort of confidence to a lot of the investors, with, let's admit it, a lot of uncertainty that is going on in the financial market. So I believe the gold should make one more high. Will that be 2100, 2200, or will they that skyrocket before a major drop down? Only time will tell. But at the moment, I'm not sure we saw the high. And therefore, if we take a look on the ongoing dynamic resistance we have here, I believe this zone should be retested, at least probably even cleaned above, until we will face very possibly and very likely condition of bearish divergence, when the market will complete the higher highs, but the MACD indicator or RSI indicator as well will create lower highs and will complete a bearish or negative divergence, which will then start putting the pressure and make the gold eventually go down. So with that idea in mind, again, as I said, I don't plan to trade it for a monthly on a monthly chart at the moment, but it gives some sort of understanding what is expected. And if we do expect the monthly to go and make this divergence, we go down to the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart it's forming pretty much the same. I believe that the gold should complete this very leg here and complete this divergence as well. So what should happen therefore on the lower time frame? Let's go to the daily chart. Daily chart is behaving in the same structure, and I believe that right now we should experience some pullback and a final rally again will take place. So the daily and then the weekly and then the monthly would slowly create this convenient all-time high. So for me, which you probably understand from the context of this analysis, is buy the dips. And right now on a 4-hour chart we are facing pretty clear, obvious trending structure. There are no signs that it's over. Therefore, the plan will remain the same. Buy the dips all the way for a new all-time high to be created. Some key zones that I want to see holding: the broken resistance that should hold, and the most recent low of this corrective structure here. This zone should hold. Any pullback, as long as this zone holds, should give a green light for further rally towards all-time high. What are your thoughts about the gold? How far or how high do you think the gold could reach on its rally? Let me know in the comment section below this video. Thank you for your time watching this video. I hope you find value in it as always. And please, if you do, hit the like button and drop a few words in the comment section. It will be a great help to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe with the subscribe button below this video, And I invite you to our Trading Family Home Trader Club, where you will get your access to our full trading courses, real-time trading education, real-time trading opportunities, access to the community, and way so much more. Join us with the link below this video in the description. Thanks for your time once again. Best to you and yours. I'll see you soon with more.